Okay, I think I figured out how to do a C.R. Lawrence slider window template the only way I can figure it out. So, if you take this frame and you measure right on this inside edge, that is going to be too small because your window actually comes right here. But it's impossible to trace right on that inside edge onto a piece of paper. Unless you did something, cut it, keep cutting it, and drop it in there, which is a total pain in the rear. If you trace this, it's going to be too big. If you trace this outer edge, it's going to be too big because you got the thickness of the metal all the way around. And for some reason, that's what I did last time, and the darn thing didn't work. So if you lay your window down face first, opposite of this, flipped it over, this side's too big. You want to trace this inner edge right there. This part right here. The problem is you got this stupid handle. So when you lay it down on a piece of cardboard, it teeter-totters. And you can't lay it down for that. So what I did was I laid it across. This is a cornhole set that's upside down. Cut a hole in the middle of it so the handle will drop into it. Now it's laying flat. Now I got pencil, I got blue. I'm gonna have to go find a red Sharpie now. I will tape this down like here and here so it doesn't move, and then I can trace this edge all the way around, which will be the exact size of the window. So get a piece of cardboard, cut a hole in the middle, drop it through something where it's not hitting on, so it's got to have, you know, cut out a box in between two sawhorses, something like that. Then you can trace it, cut it out, lay it inside the frame to see if it fits perfectly before you cut a hole, because if not, you get to buy a pop-out window like I did, which I must say did come out beautiful, but anyway. And when I pulled the old one off, because I had put so much of that butyl tape trying to fix my oversize, it peeled all the weather stripping off. So I had to go buy some of this, which I bought enough stuff at Ace Hardware. They sent me a $10 gift card in the mail for some reason. And I had to go buy replacement screws. Oh, because my new window, thank you C.R. Lawrence, did not come with little black screws for some reason. So I had to go find 16 of these little bad boys. And Home Depot was out, Lowe's was out, Ace Hardware had 17, so I bought every one of them they had for 25 cents each. Used up my gift card. Anyway, we'll see how this window comes out. Hopes and prayers. Ah! GoPro.